This is the brief on DeepSeek V4 and the collapse of AI training costs. DeepSeek literally just trained a top-tier 1 trillion parameter AI model for 20 times less money than the big Western tech giants, completely changing the economics of building and deploying AI. First, we've got to talk about the compression principle. So DeepSeek spent just $5.2 million to train V4. Now, compare that to the $100 million plus spent on comparable frontier models. Think of it kind of like airline seating. V4 is basically premium economy, giving you 90% of the capability of a first-class model, but for just 5% of the capital cost. Second, this massive price crash is driving a huge shift toward open source and self-hosting. V4 actually ships with open weights under an Apache 2.0 license. In plain English, anyone can legally download and use the core model for free. Plus, it uses 40% less GPU memory while still nailing a 94.7% on coding benchmarks. Now, you might be wondering, but what about the convenience of just buying an API? Well, startups dropping up to $200,000 a month on APIs could literally extend their runway by months if they just accept the operational overhead of self-hosting. Finally, let's do a quick reality check on the risks. Look, the build side just got way cheaper, but enterprise buyers still win big on compliance and support. So is this the end of the giant tech moat? Well, geopolitical risks from DeepSeek's Chinese origins and unverified benchmarks mean the $100 million training run isn't dead just yet. But honestly, it's starting to look like a really expensive, strategically irrelevant Maginot Line. The cost curve for AI capability has permanently bent, shifting the competitive advantage to those who adapt to cheaper, open-source efficiency today.